This blueprint series video will be looking at a very important part of the Warudo blueprints, the debug section. So here is the blueprint editor, and I'm going to go and find the debug section and open that up. Starting with, we have the comment node. This node has no inputs and no outputs, only an editable text box. While this node has no specific action, this node is extremely important when you start building larger and multiple blueprints. This gives you the ability to put a little note anywhere in your editor to help you. I'll show you an example I have of the use of the comment node. Going over to my custom Twitch redeems, I have certain camera angles that I have a comment by, so I know what this position is exactly, because going just off of the coordinates, I wouldn't know what this is. But having a little comment by it, this lets me know this is a gaming camera position, helps me whenever I need to go and find that in my blueprints. Don't be afraid to put comments in your blueprints. I promise you, they will help you more than you realize. Next, we have the inspect value node. This node has one input, anything. Just any object. When you create a data connection, you don't ever get the chance to actually see what the data is being moved from one node to another. The purpose of this node is to be able to view that data. Maybe you've created a blueprint and it's just not working right and you can't seem to figure out why. 9 times out of 10, using the inspect value node will help you pinpoint the break and fix it. I would honestly recommend favoriting this node as it comes in handy often, especially testing out blueprints that you've created. Next, we have the invoke flow node. This node was created before Warudo gave us the ability to click enter on nodes to invoke them, but if you still want to use this, you could. You'd simply connect it to whatever flow you wish to test and then click invoke. I'll be skipping over the log message and log debug nodes as I don't see this being useful for a beginner guide. But the last node that we have to cover is show toast. If you don't know what a toast is, it's a notification-like message that pops up for a few seconds before disappearing or being exited out of. This node gives you the ability to create your own toast messages within the blueprint editor. You can enter a header, a caption, and select the type of message: success, info, warning, or error. This is very useful for testing out blueprints as well. Having a different message pop up anytime a blueprint either completes successfully or if it fails, having something pop up. The debug section is a must for creating your own blueprint, so don't be afraid to use it. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and let me know what else you'd like for me to cover in Warudo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!